last piece. And ta-da!
Okay.
I made a castle.
Okay, now.
Start with the first one.
This is your Ryan's mystery order. Boop.
Hey,
Egghead.
my protection cap.
Your protection cap.
Can you help me? Okay, I'm gonna take my protection cap off. Okay, thanks. I wonder what's inside. Whoa,
Gil.
baby side do 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 do. Baby side do 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 do. That's his jam.
That's his jam?
Yeah.
Nice.
We will. Oh, it came in French fries.
Oh, French fries. He likes French fries too?
I guess. I didn't know that he loves French fries.
Mm. Yeah, you gotta pull that part down.
You gotta do both of them, Jade.
Just like you have to do it in the middle.
Oh, I got it.
No, this part. Okay.
Jade.
Ah!
But it's regular lion.
There you go.
It's regular lion. I mean singing lion because he's with a microphone. He's
Sorry, Ryan.
Daddy, you can probably dance with this guy. Sing with this guy.
Yeah.
Because he has a microphone.
Yeah. Like rock and roll, Ryan.
There.
Pizza party. I don't know. There you go.
Ninja lion.
Ninja Ryan.
With a sword. That's kind of dangerous.
Ninja Ryan.
He'll probably fight with you, Daddy.
It's just a plastic. You know who would like this?
Who?
Probably Theo Soup.
Really?
Probably. You know how he likes the swords.
Yeah. But it's Ryan. He probably won't like it because Ryan is a big cheater. Putty!
Oh, it better be good, Putty.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
So hard. It's hard to squish in the bag.
looks like actual Putty this time. Not just a bag of glitter water, dirty glitter water, huh?
Ryan's not being a big cheater so far.
Mm-hmm. What's next?
Oh,
What is it?
it's a mystery one.
Oh, mystery. It's a mystery.
It kind of looks like Peck or
Who
something.
will it be?
It's
It's
a mystery. It's Alpha Alexa.
Alpha Alexa.
Alpha Awesome.
Ah,
That just it says.
cool.
Alpha Awesome. She's a squishy.
She's a squishy. Wow, cool. Squishy Alpha Alexa.
Sorry, Alpha Alexa, but I'm squishing you.
Wow.
You everywhere. You have a big tummy.
Alright. Cool.
Put it down in here. Hey! It has to stay in there. Oh wait, not yet, not yet. Not that. It has 3 question marks.
Another mystery. Oh, they all have 3 question marks.
Oh.
The whole thing is a mystery.
Oopsie, I accidentally got the thing off. Where's the question? It's a mystery. Ryan's mystery play date. Again. There's the Ryan's logo. Get cut off.
It's combo.
With the controller, of course.
Yeah.
He loves to play Roblox.
Oh, that's what he likes to play. Combo.
He loves to play Roblox, actually.
Is he always green like that?
No.
No? Oh, that's like
It's
your
a
favorite color.
different version of combo.
I know, that's your favorite color, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
I like that color.
Light green.
I like that kind of green. Stickers!
Stickers. Oh, those are the tattoos. Ooh, tattoos.
Tattoos. Oh,
Let's see.
Ninja Gus. Better watch out, Daddy. He's gonna kick you.
Pirate Ryan and Pirate Gus on this one. And then, what's this one?
Ninja Gus.
Cool.
Watch out, he's gonna kick you.
Oh, no.
Okay.
All right. Is that it?
The next one.
Oh, my gosh, there's more?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That makes sense. Oh, this is the last one or something? It's like a big mystery? A big mystery. Ooh! Whoa! That is so cool. Oh my gosh. That's a cool car for all of these guys, right? They can like play in them?
Yeah.
They can ride in the car?
This one is in 8th place.
Sweet. It's a what?
This one is in 8th place.
8th place.
And there's the I for Ryan.
Yeah.
R-Y-A-N. Ryan.
Good.
Can you help me?
What do you think of your mystery egg?
I love it.
You love it?
Sorry off Alexa, but you're gonna get squished.
Squish.
Wow.
All right, cool.
She ate too much food.
You bought this with your own birthday money, huh?
Huh?
Right?
And Tooth Fairy money.
Oh, yeah, and Tooth Fairy money. Awesome.
Pretend that this
Good
is-
job.
Pretend that this is a
Good job, Mama.
Okay.
Okay.
Pretend that this is a trap.